Today we will be discussing one of the many features available within ProtegeGX, function codes. Function codes enable you to program a single-digit key press plus credential sequence, either card, PIN or biometric, that is used to perform a specific function from a TSEC reader. In this scenario, I will be showing you how to configure a function code to arm an entire building using two-factor authentication. Navigate to Sites, Function Codes. From here we can create the function code and label it correctly. Ours will be called Enable Card and PIN to ARM function code. The digit that we would like to use is 0. You can choose anything that you like between 0 and 9. Now if you are utilizing the latest hardware we have in the marketplace, you can now select between many colors to show the start of the function, the end of the function code, and if that function code actually fails. From here we just need to select the action required by this function code. Now we're going to show you how to set up the arming side of things, so we first need to select the areas and choose the area by deciding which action upon that area. I'm actually going to show multiple areas, so I'm going to add a secondary area that will also arm at the same time. Once complete, select Save. From here, if you navigate to Programming Doors, we need to now associate that function code to this door. So on the right hand side in the tabs you will see function codes, and all we need to do is add the Enable Card and PIN ARM function code. Select on which side of the door you would like this to operate from. We also need to make sure that under the general settings that our door type is also set to card and PIN. Select Save to confirm. If you are arming any areas, there's one other thing to note, that if any of your inputs happen to be open during this time, the system will fail to arm. So to get around this, basically what we can do is navigate to Programming Areas, and in our reception area, under the Options 1 tab, we can add Use Unattended Brute Force Arming. Now because I am arming two areas from this function code, I want to do it under the Open Plan Office as well. Select Save, and then we can move on to testing. I have created a status page that enables me to view the function code operating in real time. Using my card and PIN after the function code, you can see from the floor plan and event log the areas are now arming or armed using my card and PIN function code.